Hi friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video I will show you a Steeler XLM price predictions. What's the pricing goes in Steeler XLM, what is the pumping time, what is the dumping time of Steeler XLM, and what is the best time to buy, seed or hold Steeler XLM. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. This video gonna very special for all Steeler lumens holders. As you can see here friends, the last 1 hour 1 day price predictions of the XLM coin, absolutely a good change to occur in the XLM coin. As you can see here, it's really a good news for all XLM holders. If you look the average change to occur in the XLM, so the average change is 13.65%, and something like that. The high price is also a good dollar, 0.676394 USD dollar is the high price of the Steeler XLM in the last 1 day friends. If we look the graph of the XLM coin after last 1 day, so as you can see here, they gradually move upward, they gradually start pumping and fast down for a little time, and now again they are in the jumping mood at this time friends. So absolutely a good change occur in the Steeler XLM in the last 1 day friends. Now let's see the last 4 hour price predictions. What's the change occur in the previous last 4 hour friends? As you can see here, in the last 4 hours they falls down for a little time, but now at this time they are again currently take a jump at this time friends. The change occur in the last 4 hours is negative because they falls down, negative 2.93% change occur in the XLM in the last 4 hours, and some like that the high price is 0.672176 USD dollar is the high price of the XLM coin, and in the last 4 hours friends. Now let's see the current status of the XLM coin. What's the price change occur at this time in the XLM coin? So friends, a very high pumping or again start the high explosion of the XLM coin or starts now. That is the last 1 hour price predictions. The change is positive 0.46%, and some like that the high price is also a good 0.654229 USD dollar is the high price of the XLM coin after last 1 hour friends. As you can see here, a high explosion again start in the XLM coin, so congratulations to all XLM holders. So friends, according to the price predictions, my decision, my suggestion for all of XLM holders is that please hold your XLM coin with the last of this month. As you know, the price predictions are in the positive, so they are moving upward. The pumping time of the XLM are starts now, so please hold it and make a good amount of profits. What's your opinion about XLM coin? Please share in the comment box. And if you want to buy XLM coin, so I think it's absolutely a good opportunity for you to buy XLM coin. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in this coin, so please do your own research. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates about cryptocurrency updates.